Long days, late nights, we do what we have to. We dig deep and we find a way to make it happen. From the slums and the ghettos to the White House and the Pride Lands, we rise up to the light in the sky. Through adversity, trials, and tribulations, we fight, we survive, we conquer, we thrive. It won't always be easy. But if it were easy, everybody would do it. The courage of lions. The crowns of kings. We show up, we show out, and make it look dope. You must take your place in the circle of life. And don't forget to do it for the culture.